Now here there is something important to note. Charge is quantized. What does it mean? Charge on any object is always an integral multiple of E and can be changed only in steps of E. What does E means? E means an electronic charge. Okay, it is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. So you can have any integer multiplied with this electronic charge. Okay, you already know what is integer. See, integer means set of all positive and negative numbers including your 0. Okay, and excluding all fractions. So it can be any integer into E. This can be charge of a body. Another important point to note is charge is conserved. What does it mean? The charge of an isolated system is conserved. That means it is possible to create or destroy charged particles, but it is not possible to create or destroy net charge. So what you can do is you can create a charged particle body or you can destroy a charged particle body, but it is not possible to create or destroy net charge. For example, let's speak about beta decay. This is just an example. Say in beta decay what happens? There is a neutron which converts to proton. Now we know a neutron is neutral particle and a proton is positive particle. So what happens here, along with this proton, one electron is also emitted, okay, which is having a negative charge. So if you see overall, there is net charge is always 0. In the beginning you have this neutron, we know neutron charge is 0, and at the end of this reaction you have a proton and one electron. So again see, proton is positive and electron is negative. So at the end also your net charge is 0. So after all we have not created anything new. Whatever was the charge before, the same charge remains at the end.